Hello everyone. Welcome back to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. I'm so happy to have you here today. In this video, we'll explore some beautiful and easy outdoor furniture decor ideas to transform your outdoor space into a cozy, stylish retreat. Whether it's your balcony, garden, or backyard, I have some fantastic tips to inspire you. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas, and share this video with your friends and family who love decorating. Now, let's get started and make your outdoor space truly special. Today, I'm thrilled to share some fantastic outdoor furniture decor ideas that can completely transform your patio, balcony, or garden into a cozy and stylish retreat. Whether you have a small outdoor space or a large backyard, these simple yet effective tips will help you create an inviting atmosphere perfect for relaxing, hosting friends, or enjoying peaceful evenings. Beautifully decorated outdoor furniture can elevate your entire outdoor experience, making it more comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. So, let's dive into these inspiring decorating ideas to make your outdoor space truly special. First, let's talk about cushions and throws. Adding vibrant cushions in various colors, patterns, and textures can instantly breathe new life into your outdoor furniture. Mix and match different designs to create a lively, eclectic look, or choose coordinated colors for a more elegant vibe. Throws are perfect for cooler evenings and add an extra layer of comfort and style. When selecting cushions and throws, consider weather-resistant fabrics to ensure durability outdoors. Incorporating different heights and sizes can also add visual interest. These small touches make your outdoor space feel cozy, personalized, and welcoming for family and friends. Finally, personal touches like outdoor rugs, lanterns, and small decorative items can completely personalize your space. An outdoor rug defines the seating area and adds texture and color, making it feel more like an extension of your indoor living space. Lanterns and fairy lights bring warmth and charm, especially in the evening. Incorporate decorative accents such as vases, sculptures, or even a small fountain to add character and personality. Weather-resistant materials ensure longevity, while thoughtful placement creates a harmonious look. These finishing touches tie everything together, making your outdoor furniture area not just functional but also a beautiful, inviting haven where you'll love spending your time. And there you have it. Simple yet stylish outdoor furniture decor ideas to elevate your outdoor living space. With a few creative touches, you can turn any outdoor area into a cozy retreat perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Remember, the key is to mix comfort with style and add personal elements that reflect your personality. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub for more inspiring tips. And share your outdoor decor ideas in the comments below. I love seeing how you personalize your outdoor spaces. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more creative ideas soon.